up the war, I'm in a do chatting. And the cash grain. Must I dream, who I pray, how that dropping. Yeah. Disgusting.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's a boss, Nando and I building with another episode. So you know the big bad man himself just jump out. I think about 12 o'clock this morning with a brand new single called Disgusting. And you know Disgusting was a single the man himself was previewing from last year when he previewed the cover art and everybody was in a rush. And you know this song is so anticipated right now because, trust me people, everybody want to hear what Alkaline I say. Remember after Movado drop a song and everybody did that say Alkaline did a this, or Movado did a this Alkaline and them that say Alkaline did a this Movado in a previous of his song, you know, called Dangerous Youth. And also them I say, you know, when Alkaline did say anybody can get it in a song Hard Scare, everybody did say Movado get this. So you know what they have to review and analyze the song and the lyrics them with the dog really put forward in that song you call Disgusting. You know the man himself got to work already, full of versatility, full of different style. It's like him no want them comprehend or predict him style where you know him a bring forth in a dancehall space. So would they have to really react and you know analyze the song and hear if anybody get this or whatever, because everybody want to hear what Alkaline have to say, you know, as it pertains to him song or whichever song him drop. So you know where they go jump right into it. All I want to do and make sure so you like, subscribe and share and hit that post notification bell so whenever I drop a new video you guys can be the first to be notified. So let's just jump right into the song, viewers and subscribers.
It's alright. What is alright? What is alright? What is alright? Disgusting.
So the man himself jumping on the first part of the intro of the song by saying, but it's alright. But it's alright, and he said that 3 times in the intro. You know, like when you tell your friends, say, you know, like somebody do you something and you just say, but it's alright. Everything alright, man, but it's alright. And the dog jumping a piece of flow there, a piece of futuristic flow there. Yo, every time the man himself, Alkaline, drops a song, it leaves you wondering if this guy is really the space kid of dancehall, because he's always coming with something refreshing, something new, something with a different style. You know, Alkaline go to work already. He don't like when people predict him style, so he's always reinventing himself in different style, different sound whenever he drops a song. So the man himself jump in at first part of the intro and say, but it's alright, but it's alright. Ah yeah, and then right after that, half of the back, the man himself went into the intro again by saying, disgusting, style them sick ya so, clothes them fit it, you know, him say style them sick ya so, look pan the fit ya so, head about so to deal with it, disgusting. So it clearly as the man himself I take some shots from the first get-go of the intro and the first part leg of the song. The man himself jump into it and say, disgusting, style them sick ya so, look on the fit ya so, head about so to deal with it, disgusting. So the man I make them know say, yo, head about so to know we deal with that just as how we deal with anything else. Disgusting, style disgusting, head about so this disgusting. So you know the man himself are gone to work already. Somebody get this, somebody either get bust out, and you know the artwork of the song is just disgusting, grimy, slimy. Hey, man himself jump back into it again. Jaja, pull up. Yeah. Style them sick ya so. So the man say, disgusting, style them sick ya so. I don't know, me I analyze the song for now, me I talk out the lyrics them out of the song, cause right now I really write down some of the lyrics in our book because I really want to get in depth with the lyrics with the man himself, because sometimes some key things in an Alkaline song where you need to really listen or write down the lyrics for dissect, for understand what him really has said. So the man himself jump into the song by saying, Him jump into the verse by saying, skin ink up. Designer belt that have to hold my jeans up. Skin ink up. Designer belt that have to hold my jeans up. So you know, him go to work with a designer style. I want to see on the artwork. The man beat, the man fit is different from the average. The man says skin ink up. Designer belt that have to hold my jeans up. Glowing at the dark, rolling watch never. Glowing at the dark, rolling never ease up. And you know that can be also a double entendre by saying, you know, glowing at the dark, rolling never ease up. The rolling can be, the glowing at the dark, I would say, is his gun, is his piece, tuck on pan him hip. You know, if you understand, you know, Alkaline, the man himself is a metaphorical artist. Sometimes he may sing some things one you can't even understand, and you really have to listen and dissect it. So the man say, glowing at the dark, which is his piece pan him hip, pan him waist, glowing at the dark, rolling never ease up. Rolling never ease up. And the rolling can also be a double entendre by saying his watch glowing at the dark, or by saying his gun, his piece never ease up. Rolling never ease up. Yo, you have to really listen, to really comprehend and dissect what the man himself has said. So you know, the first verse him jumping out and saying, skin ink up. Designer belt have to hold my jeans up. Glowing at the dark, rolling never ease up. Pussy this I bet to make you eat dust. Jesus Christ, viewers and subscribers, who Alkaline take this at? Alkaline say, glowing at the dark, rolling never ease up. Pussy this, I bet you say, man make you eat dust. Pussy this, I bet you say, man make you eat dust. Jesus Christ, viewers and subscribers, Alkaline take some shots. Who is it? Who is he taking shots at? Is it Vibes Cartel? Is it Movado? Remember, everyone was saying that Movado was dissing Alkaline in his song Big Guns. But you know, when they have to really give no other artists no highlight like that. We're not really there to talk about no other artist song. But you know, also we still there to talk about it same way, because a lot of talk can make a lot of people say, yo, Alkaline get this, or Alkaline this Movado in a previous song. So you know, we there to corrupt the thing a little bit, and you know, a mad thing, man. But you could jump back in it now. The man said, I love the war. I mean not do the chatting. You know the second, the whole first verse him say, I love the war. I mean not do chatting. And the cash away green. So he's saying that I love the war. I mean not do chatting, and the cash were green. So he's saying that him love the war and him love the greens. So he's saying, me love the war, me not do chattings, and the cash were green. Jesus Christ, viewers and subscribers, the war start. It look like a war out to start in a dance hall. I want to know how Alkaline go to work already. Alkaline likes to draw them out. Alkaline likes to set a beat for draw out the apps them. And you know he has a lot of apps in a dance hall now. A lot of apps now. A lot of artists really don't like Alkaline now. Because watch this. Alkaline, how he goes to work with lyrics is versatility. It's not above. It's not like the rest of artists them. It's above the rest. Like really like a space kid when the man got to work with lyrics and flow. Like every song is always different. Every flow is always different, viewers and subscribers. So I could jump back in it again. So the man said, glowing at the dark. The man said, me love the war and me not do chatting. And the cash are green. Pussy must a dream. Who a preem? Bumbo clot, viewers and subscribers. The man himself said, pussy must a dream. Who a preem? Pussy clot. Listen, viewers and subscribers, this artwork of this song was previewed last year. So I can't say this a song brand new or it never been at the pipeline long time, you know. But some lyrics in the song where literally seem like it directing to someone or a few artists. Cause artists say, pussy must a dream, who a preem. And you know, Movado said in a song, a previous song, pussy try this me from last year. They must be blind or them not here. So Alkaline said, pussy must a dream, who a preem. Pussy glad. viewers and subscribers, excuse me explicit, but just Jano, me listen to the song this morning, and after listening to the song, me tell myself, say, Jano, me really have to dissect that song. Me really have to mention that song really deep, because me bumbo clock, the way how the dog a chop with the fresh flow, the new style, and you know how Alkaline got to work with the style already. You remember Sell Off? You remember Extra Lesson? You remember them style? You remember Spoil? You remember Suave? Or the dog put down a piece of style on the flow, on the lyrics, on the rhythm? You don't remember them style? I saw Alkaline go to work. Style and pattern, them can't comprehend, them can't predict. So you know them always want to know Alkaline style and how him go to work. So the dog, yo, Disgusting, gone. Disgusting is a new style. It's a new style on the market. This year, that one year, them are going to run with that one. That one year, a lot of people are going to talk about it. So make we jump back in it again. The man say, only when every gal scream, drink the vodka like a cappuccino. Uno bombokla understand that? Uno understand that? Yo, my hype, you're frig. The piece, the one bag explicit, sorry, but my hype, you're frig. The man say, only when every gal scream, you know, say, from him saying, who a preem? No, me have moved too fast. But the man say, who a preem? As in asking, who a pre him? Oh, that drop in. Who a preem? Oh, shit, nobody can tell me, see, no shots, this I take alpha. Vado, bumbo, clad. Come like me start believe what terror than did I say in a vlog. Me start believe what terror than I say in a vlog. The man himself said, pussy must a dream. Who a preem? Oh, that drop in. Me bumbo, clad. Me blood clad. Cook up lyrics and the pot of steam. Hey, don't ramp it up. Alkaline look like him ready for a war in a dance hall, you know. And remember, it's a long time him ready for a war, you know. And yo, Jesus Christ, any apps run up get it. So if mobile there is a apps, that means him will get it too. Alkaline say, pussy must a dream, a oh a preem, oh that drop in. Cash, pot of lyrics a steam. Pot of cook up, pot of lyrics a cook up a steam. Me bumbo clean, me blood clean. Alkaline, you ready for a war, youth? Any boy run up and get it. Alkaline come direct and wicked. If you don't know read the lyrics and understand where the dog has said, he might take some shots. And viewers and subscribers, as I say, me I dissect that song, but at the very moment my hype, me not even really gone too far in the song, but the way the song hype and the lyrics and the flow and the melody, one thing about this song me also can compliment is the flow. The rhythm and the flow goes together. It's just mellow, calm and easy, you know, cool and deadly type of vibe. But let's just jump right back into it again. So after the man himself said, cook up lyrics and the pot of steam. After the man himself said, cook up lyrics and the pot of steam, he went into saying that only when every gal scream, drink vodka like a cappuccino. And you know cappuccino, you know the coffee. The girl, them a drink the vodka like a coffee, viewers and subscribers. Them a drink the vodka like a cappuccino. But you know, him shorten it by saying cappuccino. Jesus Christ, viewers and subscribers. That vlog here go long enough because we really have to dissect the whole lyrics of that song, you know. Nobody does it the best like, you know, the vibes and insight with Nando. Nobody does it best like this. Every other vlogger do them thing, big up to them. But you know, where they have to dissect and analyze the whole lyrics, the whole, you know, everything we are saying of that song. Because everybody are wait for an Alkaline, you know. Everybody are wait for a flaunting at this. Everybody are wait for a style. Because you know Alkaline go to work. Full of style, full of pattern. So, that man say only when every girl scream, drink vodka like a cappuccino, and went into saying, and then him jump back in at the verse, him jump back in at the chorus by saying, pretty with disgusting, style them sick ya so, look pan the fit ya so, and I bust out me deal with it, this go, bumbo, love, viewers and subscribers, my hype your fuck, be hype, pull up the rhythm to blood clot. Jaja viewers and subscribers, the song a clap. When I reach now when I sang it and the song a clap. We need to run on to the second verse. You know it go already, man. I don't really want to play the lyrics, but I just play the flow and the melody and the rhythm, you know. But not the lyrics. But Jano, viewers and subscribers, Alkaline, disgusting. A lot of artists get it. And my synopsis is that this direct to somebody personal. But also, you know, anybody run up. This seems like it's a warning shot for every artist out there. Anybody will run up. You know Alkaline go to work, man. Him likes to draw them out. You remember, depend on nobody or draw out the six them. Look like Alkaline plan out every move, you know. I remember Alkaline say, nothing with the boss do no random. Every move with the boss do calculated. Jesus Christ. Viewers and subscribers, make we jump back into it again before we jump in a second verse. So the man himself said, pre the whip disgusting. Style them sick, yes so. Look and we fit, yes so. Head about so to deal with it disgusting. I don't want YouTube copyright me because I spit the lyrics like a Alkaline, you know, like me a flow up on the rhythm, you know, Jesus Christ. YouTube, me I do my best. Don't copyright me for the lyrics, but the man himself said disgusting. Style them sick, yes so. Look on the fit, yes so. Head about so to deal with it disgusting. Head about so to deal with this disgusting. So he jump into the second verse and say, oh la, and we are top. And this is the flow where me I say, fresh. Different from the average flow. The second verse different, and yo, bro, after listening to the song this morning, about 30 times I listened so far, cause me did half go on my bed. Me coulda just stay up all night and listen to the song. I need to get up and get ready for go to work. But Jano, the man jump in the second verse and say, oh la, we are top. Yeah. That our bumbo clean flow enough viewers and subscribers. Our blood clean flow that enough viewers and subscribers. The man himself say, oh la, we are top. Yeah. Oh, the little girl pussy fat, yeah. Yeah. The man say, oh, the girl pussy fat, yeah. Oh, the little girl pussy fat, yeah. Yeah. Hey, the yeah flow the wicked. The yeah flow the wicked viewers and subscribers. Wicked. And then the man jump into it again and say, bend it over me and knock. Yeah. Never, no, him say, bend it over me and knock, never lean. So he changed the flow, you know. He changed the melody and he changed the flow. Him say, bend it over me and knock, never lean. Straight pan seam. Oh, God, viewers and subscribers. The man say, bend it over me and knock, never lean. Straight pan seam. I don't want to flow it, you know, because I don't want YouTube strike me, you know, but I do my best, viewers and subscribers. Tell me one thing so far with when I say, I got 17 minutes in the vlog. I never really want it to go so long, but you know when you go analyze a song, you have to stretch it out because you want to know everything what the dog say. So the dog say, bend it over me and knock, never clean, straight pan seam. Madam mean, close them no young, never all. Yeah, we clean, make she fiend. Have them gal and she a go on disgusting. The man say, have them gal and she a go on disgusting. Before him say that, the man say, madam mean, close them no young and all. You know when time people are say, yo, you know when somebody say to you, say, yo, you know your shirt look young pan you, or somebody say to you, say, yo, you know say that shirt that look old pan you want change, you want a different fit. The man, yo, this old song is a pop style song, you know, but this into the apps them. Anybody who want violate, anybody who want run up, anybody with Alkaline apps, I get it. But me feel like somebody personally get that song, yeah. Somebody personally get a this in that song, yeah. But the Alkaline say, close them no young, never all. Mother, close them no young, never all. You will clean, make she fiend. Have them girl and she a go on disgusting. So him jump back right into the chorus of disgusting by saying, disgusting, style them sick, ya so. Look on the fit, ya so. Head about so to deal with it, disgusting. Viewers and subscribers, somebody get this to blood clean, you know, man. I mean, now I go stop saying too, no. Somebody get this. Style them sick, ya so. Look on the fit, ya so. Head about so to deal with it, disgusting. Jaja, viewers and subscribers, make me know want to think about the lyrics and the flow and the style with Alkaline a pop in another song are disgusting. Tell me want to think about it because Alkaline a go out with a bag of thing in another song. Them did I say Alkaline a brave, but it look like Alkaline a bravest thing in a dancehall because he might take some shots that were sound direct. And you know, after Mother the song drop, everybody was speculating, wondering what Alkaline a come with. So the dog forward with something, and everybody and the mama I say, yo, Mother get this. Jano, everybody and the mama as a Vibes Cartel get this. Alkaline ready for dust them out like wet mat. Me blood clot. Viewers and subscribers, make me know what you think about this vlog. Make me know what you think about me analyzing the song Disgusting by the man himself, Alkaline. The dog has spit your frig. Make me know what you think. You know already. A vibes and insight with Nando with another episode, another bad vlog funny. You know it go already, man. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.
Disgusting.